Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra and today we are talking about the Hourglass Lightning Edit Unlocked palette. Whew, I should take that out and redo it, but I'm not going to because I just want to get into it. So it is this one. If you are watching this video, thank you. Everyone and their mother has already done a video on this, but the reason I wanted to do it is because I was waiting around for the Edit 4 palette, the other one, because Hourglass came out with 2 of these this year. This one came out first, and then the Unlocked 4 came out. And if I can figure out, by the time this video needs to go up, how to add a picture and put it here so you can see what the Edit 4 looks like, I'll do that. But I might not have gotten that technologically advanced in this amount of time, and you might be staring at nothing. But I would go look it up at Sephora. That was the one I thought I would want. This one, I was like, okay, I think I like those. This looks too dark for me. I don't really like highlighters. The blushes look blah, meh, it's not for me. The Edit Unlocked had the blushes that look marbleized and a bronzer that's marbleized. It also had dim light and diffuse light, which I love both of those, which also makes it stupid to go buy it because I already have both of those. But that was not why I didn't buy it. I thought I would love that bronzer more. I thought I would love that blush more, both blushes more. So there was just so much of that palette that I thought this is the one for me. And then I saw it in store. And I want to let you know what I at least have not heard in anybody else's review. Because I've watched some of the reviews of should you get this one or should you get that one. No one is talking about the fact that the blushes in the Edit 4 have pure glitter in them. Just glitter on glitter on glitter that is going to be all over your cheek. And if we are trying to keep people from seeing lines, from seeing wrinkles, glitter is not going to help our case. So at that point, I went over and looked at this one, and all of a sudden the veil was lifted and I realized, yes, this is what I've wanted my whole life. So in case you don't know, Hourglass comes out with these every holiday season. Normally it's only one. They sell out. Sometimes these sell out before the VIB or Beauty Insider Sephora sale in November. So if you are interested, I would click on the link below and just get it now, because it may not be at Sephora when you're looking for it. So it is all new colors. These two are very similar to dim light and diffuse light. I am loving them. A lot of people were saying this is too dark on them. No, I don't. I think they're both wearable on anybody. Now, I don't even know if these are gonna, let's see if they'll show up on the back of my hand for you. Like, right, the whole point is that they kind of blend into your skin. So it's gonna be, and with my ring light, it's just gonna brighten it out. But they are beautiful. I am wearing them on my face today. It is the end of the day, but I have been wearing this all week and I've been loving it. This bronzer is great. Now, the one thing, this bronzer does have some shimmer in it. Once it's on, it's not crazy. There you go, you can see that swatch. Once it's on, it's not crazy, but as you can see, little temperamental in the blending. So you want to make sure whatever you are using as your base allows for movement. Certain foundations, certain powders, when something gets on them that just clings, this could cling, or you're gonna have to get a real good brush to just kind of get that sucker out. So you gotta work fast with this, but it's beautiful. Okay, the blushes on this one, in person, way more wearable than what they at least look like to me on camera, on Instagram, etc. This one does have slight glitter in it, nothing compared to the Edit 4. So it comes out like that. Just a beautiful coral shimmer, very light. I also thought I wouldn't like these because it just looks so metallic to me. I'm like, I don't need my blush to be metallic all the time. it doesn't come out that way. It's gorgeous. And then this one is more your plummy side. And that's just a beautiful flush. I am loving it. And then the highlight, let's see if we can just, oh, darn it, you missed it. I did that totally out of frame. Sorry, let's do it here. There you go. Look at that highlight. Look at that. So, beautiful highlight. In fact, here. Let's do it over my bronzer on my nose, so you can see that. But I'm just here to let you know I would choose this one over the Edit 4. This turned out to be way more wearable. So if you've been debating, if you're not sure, if you're thinking about it, I would get this one. Can you hear the children screaming outside? Sorry, I can't do much about that if you can. But anyway, they're so loud. Hold on. Okay, yelling children totally interrupted me, and now I've lost all train of thought. But anyway, all this to say, I just wanted to make a video for you all to know I think this is the better of the two palettes. Go check them out for yourselves. If you like glitter, you might like the Edit 4. I just could not see in any video that I watched, in any Instagram that I saw, how much glitter is in it. And it was too much for me, and that made the decision really easy. And I have been very, very happy, and I'm very in love with my Lighting Unlocked. Am I calling it the right thing? Lighting Edit Unlocked. It's great. Way more wearable, I think, on all skin tones than what people are saying, because they're just diffusers on top, so it doesn't even really need to be your color. They're acting as blur, like blur filters. But anyway, it retails, I believe, for $80. I think it's worth it when you think of how much Hourglass costs, so I would highly recommend going out and buying it. In case you didn't know, Hourglass is now at Nordstrom too, so if you have a bunch of Nordstrom notes saved up, treat yourself. But if you want to wait for Sephora or something like that, look, I was ready to buy it wherever I could find it. Please let me know if you like these review type videos. I want to start doing more of them. I'm going to keep going through a lot of stuff that is out for the holiday season. Just different gift sets if you want to give as gifts or keep for yourself. But with that, you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching. Be sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment below with if you got it. And then I will see you in the next one. Bye!